Distance calibration helps maintain cutting accuracy by ensuring the machine knows the exact position of the cutter and key. Before beginning, make sure the machine and jaw are clean and free of debris. Debris can affect calibration accuracy. On the distance calibration screen, choose one of the two available methods. You only need to complete one, depending on which jaws you have available. The first option uses the 4-way automotive and dimple jaw. For distance calibration, 2 standard decoders must be installed. If a cutter is installed, remove it and replace it with a decoder. Install the 4-way automotive jaw with side D facing up. Make sure it is properly aligned on the base. Using the markings shown on screen, position the calibration block and secure it firmly, and begin calibrating. The second option uses the single-sided jaw. Install the jaw with side A facing left. Make sure it is properly aligned, then close it completely and begin calibration. Once distance calibration is complete, you can proceed with calibration of the jaw you need.